Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the app version and that two-step authentication is enabled. This prevents simple compatibility errors. Once done, make sure your network is stable. Use Wi-Fi or 4G with at least 1 Mbps because sync failures mimic vault errors. Next, back up your recovery key and sign out of the app, then clear the app cache so stale data won't block re-authentication. Doing these steps first removes common transient causes and gets you ready for deeper fixes. Now you reinstall the app to eliminate corrupted binaries. This also refreshes native libraries. Once reinstalled, force a manual sync and examine sync logs so you can spot permission denials or timeouts. This shows you why sync failed. If the vault supports rekey or recovery reset, perform it. Rekeying resolves encryption mismatches between devices. Make sure to note any error codes shown because they guide the exact remediation. Moving carefully here avoids data loss while resolving deeper state issues. Finally, sign back in and re-enable sync. Then verify that vault entries decrypt correctly by opening a small item. Once verified, export or copy one entry to confirm full access across devices. If everything works, let automatic sync run for one full cycle. If problems persist, disable any VPN or antivirus temporarily and retry. These often block ports or file access. If that fails, collect logs and contact support with the error code. They can guide a safe account-level recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.